Welcome back to my kitchen. Quick dinner tonight. We're gonna make a ricotta soup with chickpeas. Simple. Put in your garlic and your onions. Sofrito. Okay? Now we're gonna add ricotta. I like my ricotta soup very creamy. Okay. We're gonna add some water. Okay. So we got the water in there. Now we're gonna add some cubed up potatoes. Bring that to a boil. We're going to cook those potatoes. Once the potatoes are cooked, we're going to add our chickpeas. And I'm boiling the water for my pasta. Okay. We're going to add our spices, some salt, some oregano. And we're going to bring that up to a boil. And ta-da! Okay, potatoes are done. Pasta is nearly done too, a couple of seconds. So now we're going to throw in the chickpeas. Tonight I'm using chickpeas. You can put anything you like in here. Lentils. Actually, lentils go really good. Chickpeas, lentils, white kidney beans. But the chickpeas are really good in here. Okay, I'm gonna take my pasta out and mix it up. Just waiting on the pasta. Let's throw that right in there. See that? Ricotta soup is ready. Ricotta with potatoes, chickpeas, and farfalle. The farfalle. Beautiful. Nice, quick, hearty dinner. Dinner's ready.